Hi there, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a text-through video effect like this in Canva. So let's jump right into this. I'll go to Canva and then click on video, and then I want to create 16:19 aspect ratio. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to click on this. I'll then go to the element tab and then search for a workout video. So I'll just switch to the video tab, and then I'll scroll through and then select any of the videos I prefer to use. So I'm going to select this. Then I'm always going to resize this. Just going to resize this, and also adjust the timeline right here. I'm going to adjust the timeline, and then I want to create a duplicate of this video. So what I'll do is that I'm just going to Control C and copy, and then so this is actually going to be on top of the first video. If you want to confirm this, just go to position here and then go to layers. You can see I have two videos here. So this is the first and this is the second. So in order to create the text-through effect, just go to text here and then let's type anything. I'm going to type workout. Okay, and then I'll change the font. I prefer a bold font, so I'll just go through and then select this font, and then I'll try and then enlarge this. What I want to do is that I'm going to add some effect. So I want to add some shadow effect here, and then for the color I'll change it to black. So it's going to give me something like this. Let's go back to our layers, so position and layer. So now we're going to place this text in between. So this is going to be in between here, but we first need to remove the background of the top video. So this is the top video. Just select that and then just go to BG remover. Then once that is done, you can see we can see the text through. Now we can see there's a text behind the first video. You can see there's a text between the two. Now we want to create a duplicate of this text, so right click here and then go to duplicate, and then there's going to be a same text on top. Let's make sure they are aligned, and then we'll go back to effect, and then we are going to use one effect here called holo. Let's add this holo effect, and you can see how this is going to look like. If I go and I play this, so you can see how amazing this effect is going to look like. And that is basically very simple to do, creating a text-through effect like this in Canva. So once this is done, you can just go to share. You can just go to share, go to download, and make sure this is MP4. Then you download this. So when you are done downloading this, then you should get something like this. So this is the final work. Like, subscribe for more videos like this. Enjoy this video, subscribe for more. Bye bye.